Hi!
Hi!
Welcome to our 4th vlog.
Guys, guess what? I did it! I finally made it!
Yep.
Check it out! It only took like 4 vlogs, but I finally got it done.
We've been super busy. We've been planning this huge built-in that we're going to start this next week. So the next couple of videos we've already done, finished, edited, and they're really just going to buy me some time so I can knock out this built-in. I took a weeks-long vacation, so this is all I'm going to be doing. I'm going to wake up, I'm going to work on this, and then as soon as she gets home from work, she's going to help me out. It'll be great.
So if you voted for which style we should do on our Instagram, thank you. We got lots of good votes on which style we should go for, so we appreciate that.
Yeah, drum roll. Because nobody watches these vlogs, we can tell you what we're going to do. Give away all of our secrets.
Yeah.
So we're going to go with the option that has the cabinets underneath the shelves.
Woo!
Yeah. So that's just going to be better for us because we want to get rid of that giant desk that we have in there. And this is going to be the best option. We're also going to use the awkward angle. There's a 45-degree angle wall downstairs. We're going to use that as our new vlog location. So hopefully this will be the last time you'll see a vlog at our kitchen table.
And I just got it looking good in the background too, and then we're just going to leave.
Yeah, well, it's okay. So that's what's going on there. We have finished up just a bunch of these palette projects. We've done this one. We did the planter box. We did a sign with a little house cut out of it. We've done a lot. Hopefully you guys like these videos, or you've seen them, or you're gonna see them. So that's all we got going on. We're also gonna can the tool time with Dave and Jenny. Just wasn't working. Just wasn't working. If you did enjoy that segment, you never let us know. So now it's too late.
Comment down below.
You gotta let us know. You can't do that. So
it's been snowing in April.
Oh my gosh.
So we've had to turn the heater back on in the garage. It's currently, what, 18 degrees outside?
I don't want to talk about it anymore.
It's April 6th.
I don't want to talk about it anymore.
It's nuts.
Yep, so we've got the built-in next week, and then after that, we have got a lot on the schedule. We've got a bar that we're going to build for some friends. We've got just a whole laundry list full of projects that we need to get out of the way. And hopefully we'll bring you guys along as we learn how to build stuff. So
yeah, for sure.
Yep, short video this week, but anyway.
Yeah, thanks for watching. Go check out our Instagram pics. We've got some cool stuff that we've put up recently.
Okay, bye.